Hello everyone. My group will presenting our assignment. Subject Hazardous Waste Management. Madam Nur Fazrin binti Zizukafli. My group member is Nolana binti Ibrahim, Siti Aisyah binti Abdurrahman, Aaron Gray and Laki Kliman, and Norfati Nabiha binti Ahmad Nawawi. Okay, as we know, hazard waste management is a hazard waste can be liquid, solid gases, large, discarded commercial product such as cleaning fluid or pesticide or the byproduct of manufacturing process. Waste management in hospital is according to KKM waste disposal policy. Okay, next is hazard waste management, where all treatment, disposal, and transport of waste should therefore follow the guidance for Category A infectious waste such as autoclave on-site or sent for incineration. Our group will be generating some questionnaire in our hospital company who've been taking care of hazard waste management in hospital. Okay, the companies. We only have 3 company. We manage survey for 3 companies only, which is Redicare Sindrian Berhad, Sudafiat Sindrian Berhad, and Medifast Sindrian Berhad. These 3 company we choose because it's near to our workplace and every day we meet the person who work at this company. For the first company is Redicare Sindrian Berhad. Redicare Sindrian Berhad based in Hospital Kuala Lumpur, a comprehensive approach to healthcare waste management solution covering collection site, supply of container receptacles, transportation, and incineration by single provider. The scope of service to Redicare Syndrome is subject to provide consumable and equipment, collection and transportation of clinical waste, provide a special vehicle, waste incineration, and final disposal. Next company is Sudafiat Sdn Bhd. Okay, Sudafiat Sdn Bhd, based in Hospital Queen Elizabeth in Sabah, has extensive experience and expertise in providing timely, dependable, and effective healthcare waste management solutions to get the great majority of healthcare facilities in Sabah and the Federal Territory of Labuan. They provide full healthcare waste management service to all contracted hospital and private healthcare institutions in the region, including transportation, on-site collection, consumable supply, and waste treatment and disposal. Sudafiat Sdn Bhd owns and operates a fleet of licensed and well-maintained cars, which are driven by devoted and trained operators. And also, the healthcare trash collection is handled with care by skilled employees to ensure safe and effective processing. And then our healthcare waste treatment plant provides advanced medical waste disposal equipment that conform with all regulation and at high safety requirements. The last companies is Medivest Sdn Bhd, which is based in Hospital Alogaja Malacca, provide a comprehensive variety of healthcare waste management solutions. It entails managing the supply of consumable and receptacles as well as the collection, storage, transportation, and proper disposal of clinical waste collected from hospital. Specialist vehicle transfer waste from our client sites to our treatment facility. These vehicles, which are operated by highly trained employees, are designed to avoid spillage and contamination while en route. They are inspected and licensed by the Department of Environment on annual basis. The scope of service is to be training and education on safe handling of clinical waste, prevention and management of spillage, supply of color-coded bag, sharp container and collection bins, the collection and transportation of clinical waste to our incineration plant, and lastly to be safe disposal and incineration of clinical waste byproduct. The questionnaire. This is the question that our group made to survey to the 3 companies that we choose. From this questionnaire, we can know directly from the person in charge who manage hazardous waste management in their companies. did the criteria is into the companies or not into the criteria. In our questionnaire, we are asked the list of hazard waste, the implementation of hazard waste, the accepting of hazard waste management, opinion towards hazard waste management, and lastly, the act or regulation the company needs to comply in hazard waste management. As you can see, the questionnaire for our group. Okay, as the result from the questionnaire, we might know different companies have their own criteria based on the questionnaire. Okay, the questionnaire for Medivac syndrome Berhad. Medivac syndrome Berhad address Medivac syndrome Hospital Gajah. Person in charge is Puan Nadiratul Nurziana Abdul Majid. They choose for the question number 4 type of hazard waste management. They choose chemical waste. The next one is list of hazard waste regularly in the company. They have chemical hazard such as sharp injury, biological hazard. They are agree to implementation of hazard waste management in their company, and then they also accept on the hazard waste management. And then the company opinion toward hazard waste management is they are advocate for sustainable waste management and explore in environmentally friendly technology which produce neither emission nor efficient in clinical waste treatment. They have since subscribed and installed 2 units of microbe disinfection system. And then for the act or regulation, they follow Schedule Waste Regulation 2005. Next is to eradicate syndrome Berhad. As we can see from figure 3, the person in charge is Haja Ramla in hazard waste management that answered the questioning from our group. The type of hazard waste management of this company are biohazard waste that listed as biohazard waste, such as contamination and spillage. They are agree in implementation of hazard waste management and then accepting the hazard waste management in this company. Their opinion in for this waste management is the incineration process is the best treatment for clinical waste. They treat clinical waste through the process burning is also recommended by the Jabatan Alam Sekitar Malaysia, where it ensures the destruction of clinical waste and the amount of byproduct produced from this process is small, which is less than 10% of the total waste treated. The Act regulation they follow the quality alam sekeliling activity yang ditetapkan penilaian kesan alam sekeliling based on 2015. Next is eradicate syndrome Berhad. As we can see, person in charge is Encik Sharunizam that will be answered our question on behalf of the company. In the company, the type of hazard is chemical waste, which is the list of hazard is chemical hazard such as corrosive, flammable, and carcinogen. They agree that regard the implementation and concept of hazard waste management. From the opinion is the company is the collection of healthcare waste is handled with care by trained personnel to ensure safe and efficient handling. Healthcare waste treatment facility offer the innovative technology in medical waste disposal, which is complies with all legislation and adhere to strict safety standards. The Act and Regulation follow to quality alam sekeliling, aktiviti yang ditetapkan penilaian kesan alam sekeliling 2015. Conclusion from our assignment is each company have their own company and answer regard their own vision and mission of their company. Hazard waste management is more essential in every company or industry in this world. Without hazard waste management, our world might be in worse and all people might be sick due to not maintenance to hazard waste. Many businesses generate hazard waste which must be disposed and appropriately to avoid potentially harmful consequences. Hazardous waste endanger humans, wildlife, and the environment. Thank you.